Our campus features a diverse collection of trees in curated landscapes, natural wetlands, and stands of pine. From the majestic live oaks in Blanton Park to the South Carolina emblematic palmettos that dot the campus, our trees are a large part of what makes CCU the place we know and love. To celebrate, protect, and enhance CCU's natural heritage, the entire 322-acre main campus has been established as an arboretum, a specialized botanical garden dedicated to trees. The Arboretum began in 2019 as a student-led project that transformed an underdeveloped corner of campus, once affectionately referred to as Singleton Swamp, into the Native Species Collection. The now campus-wide CCU Arboretum is internationally accredited at Level 2 by the ArbNet Accreditation Program and has earned coastal recognition as a tree campus by the Arbor Day Foundation. The CCU Arboretum is guided by its mission to be a place of education, research, discovery, and wellness, and to be a leader in ecological restoration for the region. It plays an important role in CCU Reach, the university's new strategic plan, supporting the pillars of learning, living, and legacy, while modeling sustainability. Come explore our trees out on campus or virtually through our map-based inventory. We encourage faculty, staff, and students to use the Arboretum as a living laboratory and an opportunity for experiential learning. Students can pursue opportunities directly with us through student employment, internships, and independent studies. Faculty and staff may enroll in our professional development trainings, and we routinely arrange tours for special interest groups from both on and off campus. Our new CCU Community Garden is available to all members of the CCU community with seasonal signups. And we host an annual Arbor Day celebration and native tree giveaway for our community to encourage tree planting beyond campus. Through the new University Master Plan, the CCU Arboretum is poised to become a staple of campus life and a living symbol of Coastal's leadership and commitment to sustainability and coastal resilience. For more, visit our website at coastal.edu/arboretum.